Ferrea is a manufacturer of high-quality valve train components in the performance and racing industry. For the past 40 years, Ferrea has been manufacturing hardcore racing components for various types of engines in a wide range of categories worldwide. Our company uses the latest technological advances gained through the development of engine valve programs for Formula One, IndyCar, NASCAR, Sprint Car, drag and road racing teams. This technology allows us to provide the highest level of performance and reliability for our customers. Our association with many of the industry's leading head manufacturers has given us the opportunity to implement these race-proven, high-quality designs for all categories of racing, from domestic to sport compact to motorcycle. Ferrea specializes in manufacturing the finest engine components for enthusiast and performance applications. Valves, valve springs, retainers, valve locks, spring seat locators, lifters, gaskets, valve guides, and finally, valve seals. At Ferrea, we deliver the finest performance engine components at the most competitive prices in the industry. Visit our website at www.ferrea.com. Whether you're running on the street, drag strip, road course, or even on the water, the quality of your engine parts is the difference between winning and losing. Today on Street Legal TV, we take a look inside Ferrea Racing Components.
Welcome to Ferrea Racing Components. Inside this building is 40 years of racing heritage.
Hang on as we give you a full tour from research, development, engineering to manufacturing, showing you one of the most innovative valve train companies in the industry.
The heritage of Ferrea Racing started in Argentina. Started by two gentlemen, one by the name of Horacio Ferrea and the other one by the name of Daniel Rudias Sr. Both of them were involved with engine building, engineers, and R&D development. They were very much involved with both factory-backed teams of Ford and Chrysler, giving them not only technical support, but also R&D development support.
In the late 1960s, with their backgrounds in engineering, R&D development, and technical support for major race teams, Horacio Ferrea and Daniel Rudias Sr. opened up a joint venture with a major valve manufacturer in Argentina. Soon after, in 1978, they opened up the current operations in Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Since coming to the United States, Ferrea Racing Components has mainly catered to enthusiasts. A lot of relationships that we built back then are still in existence today.
Many people think of Ferrea Racing Components as a valve company, but we're actually a full-line valve train and valve train components company. We manufacture lifters, retainers, springs, seat locators for companies like General Motors, Edelbrock, Harley-Davidson, Mercury Marine, many race teams that you've heard of like Alan Johnson Performance Engineering and Roush Yates Racing. We can run special production runs for anybody that needs valve train components. Minimum on valves is about 150 pieces. We also have a program of custom valves, and we can run as minimum one valve. It takes about a 2-week lead time, and we can do anything from high-end sports cars to all-out race engines to antique reproduction stuff.
This is the R&D department at Ferrea Racing. What we do in this department is we design valve train systems to improve performance and reliability for racing engines worldwide.
A big part of Ferrea's research and development is to analyze what happens in the valve train of a performance or racing engine. Using tools such as the Cam Doctor, Ferrea is able to profile camshaft designs to understand camshaft loading and valve train velocity. R&D is also responsible for all critical inspections and quality control of both prototype and final production parts. Using the latest in technology, valves and components are measured down to the millionth of an inch to ensure a perfect fit. However, nothing replaces actual testing, and for that you'll find the test lab, which includes a 30,000-pound tensile compression rig which allows Ferrea to stress test valves up to their breaking points. Once a valve is broken, they can gather and analyze the data of both their own products and other competitors to know where the valve gave way at the highest degree of force. And finally, Ferrea does all valve and component design in-house on state-of-the-art computer-aided drafting systems. This allows the consideration of an entire valve train system, from valve to spring to retainer and everything in between. Since the early days of Ferrea, all manufacturing has been done in-house between the Fort Lauderdale and Argentina locations. By operating their own CNC machines, Ferrea is able to oversee each machining step along the way, allowing them to ensure a maximum quality and performance. Once a component has been manufactured, it is laser etched with the infamous Ferrea logo and its part numbers, and finally ready for packaging and shipping. Ferrea stocks literally hundreds of thousands of valves and engine components in their warehouse, ready to be shipped to racers and enthusiasts all over the world. So now you know all the manufacturing, engineering, design, and testing that goes on to make sure the parts inside your engine give you a long life of performance and competition.